Conas Tantu. Hello there, Ben from Bite Size Irish here. And today I'd like to take a bite-sized look at how to say Father Christmas is coming tonight. To say Father Christmas is coming tonight, we say Tá Daddy na nullag ag tacht a nocht. Tá Daddy na nullag ag tacht a nocht. Tá Daddy na nullag ag tacht a nocht. So he's coming tonight and his bag will be full to the brim with presents. Beg a bhála lán go béal le bruntanis. Beg a bhála lán go béal le bruntanis. Beg a bhála lán go béal le bruntanis. So here we're saying beg a bhála, his bag, lán go béal, full to the mouth or to the brim, le bruntanis, with presents, plural. I'm saying Gabeal here. This is West Kerry pronunciation. Elsewhere you would hear something more like Gabeal le bruntanis. Beg a bhála lán Gabeal le bruntanis. The presents are coming. The children are excited. If we want to say the children are extremely excited, we might say Tá scitimíní an domhain na páistí. Tá scitimíní an domhain na páistí. Tá scitimíní an domhain na páistí. So, scitimíní here is excitement, sensation of excitement. An domhain, if we were to translate it directly, it would be something like the excitement of the world is on the children. This an domhain here just means exceedingly or extremely. So, tá scitimíní an domhain na páistí. So, páiste is child, páistí, children, the plural there of páiste. Where does Father Christmas live? Tá conaí iadí na nullag sa bhul huaig. Tá conaí iadí na nullag sa bhul huaig. Tá conaí iadí na nullag sa bhul huaig. An mul huaig is the North Pole. Here it's taking this shevu or lenition after the preposition sa. So we have sa bhul huaig in the North Pole. So how is he going to get from the North Pole to your house? He will fly around the world in his sleigh. So etloig sé timpeall na crinne in a chóir sleamháin. Etloig sé timpeall na crinne in a chóir sleamháin. Etloig sé timpeall na crinne in a chóir sleamháin. So etloig sé, the future tense, he will fly. Timpeall na crinne, around the world. In a chóir, in his car, sleamháin, his sliding car, so in his sleigh. Etloig sé timpeall na crinne in a chóir sleamháin. So, traditionally we consider Santa to have 9 reindeer. Originally he only had 8 and then Rudolph was added sometime in the 20th century. This original 8 are named at first, I think, in a poem from the year 1823, A Visit from St. Nicholas, which is attributed to a writer named Clement Clark Moore, although other claims were made on the poem at the time. Now I'm taking these translations of the reindeer's names into Irish from a book that was published by Lower Brack Press from Connemara and a translation by Darach O'Scully. So this is called Cuairt Santa Claus, this book, and there's a link to the book, which is really nice, in the description below. So check that out if you like hearing these names as gaeilge. So And we want to say Father Christmas has 9 reindeer. Tá 9 reindeer ag daddy na nullag. Tá 9 reindeer ag daddy na nullag. Tá 9 reindeer ag daddy na nullag. And we're going to name them now. So we have Rudolph, Tíntrich, Tornach, Ruog, Rothere, Coméad, Cúpid, Ruigere, agus Prabere. So Rudolph, Tíntrich, Tornach, Ruog, Rothere, Coméad, Cúpid, Ruigere, agus Prabere. One more time. Rudolph, Tíntrich, Tornach, Ruog, Rothere, Coméad, Cúpid, Ruigere, agus Prabere. So there you have it. Gur magat as a bhelam. Thanks for being with me. Slán go fóil, agus Nola Conna.
Transform your Irish language journey in 1 week. Take the gaeilge gach lá 1 week challenge starting Monday. It doesn't matter if you're just starting off, coming back to Irish, or you're already an active learner. Go to challenge.irish or click the link in the description.